Good morning, Dada Sham. Today we are doing chapter number 1, our national fruit mango. Now here see. Kanji sune koyal, keri kunj, keri bagicha. Now this is a haiku. Now it means Kanji listens, a cuckoo coos mangoes in an orchard. Now see, now these are of 17 letters. Now the 5 letters in first, then 7 and then 5. So see, now this is a poetic form of Japan and it is written in must only 17 letters. It is formation of 5 plus 7 plus 5. Now there is again one more haiku. See, मीठी सुगंध छू सोरठनी केरी हूँ छू केसर means I am sweet and fragrant mango from Sorat. I am Kesar. Now see children, now see, there are some pictures of mango given here made by children. See, these all. Now these are mango trees. Okay. Now next page. Now in Sanskrit mango is called amra. Different shapes of the amra are often commonly seen in embroidery, right? So see this in many other paintings and even your jewelry. See at home in your mother's dress or sari or any jewelry. Okay, now see, now even on your curtains, mats and other things in different colors and shapes. Now Talala Taluka of Gir Somnath district is famous for its Kesar mangoes worldwide. Now the quality of land ecology are suitable for growing mangoes. Now Talala can be called capital of Kesar mangoes. The plantation of mango are called Ambawadi. They are lifeline in this region. Now see, you must have heard Ambe Vavya more Varta Kaheshu Por. Now this is a mango tree initially bears flowers in the season of spring. Now after it bears mango fruits, mangoes are picked from the trees and piled on the ground. Then they are segregated and packed in different boxes as per their quality. Now these boxes are sent to the marketing yard. Okay. Now see here. Now there is one sum. These you can see a heaps of mango. Now see. Now then they are packed in boxes. Bring similar number of mango boxes as the number of students in the class. Each box must contain 18 mangoes. If all the students will open the boxes and pile the mangoes in single heap, what will be the total number of mangoes in that heap? How many heaps of 10 mangoes each can be made from the big heap? Now here it is given, so we'll do one sum. See, I've already done. Now see, in your class, suppose number of students in our class, that is in 5th standard, 50, approximately 50. Now each student each student have to open one box. See, here it is written, if all students will open and box file, so each box contain 18 boxes. Now see here, so I have written here each student means contains one box. Now one box contains 18 mangoes. Now so one box contain 18 mangoes, it means one student will have one box and in that one box there are 18 mangoes. So there are 50 students in our class. Okay. Now so therefore what we have to do, 50 multiplied by 18 to get 900 mangoes. So total there are 900 mangoes in this heap approximately. Okay. Now the next question was in the same, how many heaps of 10 mangoes each can be made from the big heap? Now how can we will find? We have to do 900 divided by 10. ये जो 900 मिले, 900 mangoes. Now that you have to divide by 10. Why 10? Because it is already okay. Suppose in 10 mangoes are there, so how many heap? So there will be 90 heaps. Now how? Start saying table of 10. So 10 nines are 90 and this 2 zeros. So here you have to cut. See here, cut this 0 0. What is the answer? 90. So 10 90s are 900. Okay. Now see here, next. Is it okay? Now here it is given. See, guess how many mango trees will be there in a single mango orchard, that is Ambavari. You have to just guess. Okay, so that is your homework. You have to do it. Then see here regarding see. Now well, if a farmer picks mangoes from one tree during the season, which can fill 18 boxes of 12 kg in a quantity each, make an estimate of how many kg and how many boxes full of mangoes the farmer would have picked up from all mango trees of the orchard. Okay, now this is also your homework. You have to, because when you will guess that how many mango trees, then you have to do this. So this is also your homework. You have to just guess. Okay, now see. Now here, the way parrot bites the raw mango, the village kids compete with each other for getting the mangoes from the tree by hitting stones in the vacation time. Now if they are able to get one mango, they become very happy. Children, you also become happy when you get one mango. And sometimes these mangoes are picked up with the spirit of competition among the children. But sometimes kids get hurt by stones too. Sometimes emotions of the people get hurt and mothers constantly worried for their kids. Now this phenomenon is not visible in cities. If each scene are created, drama of Mahabharata take place under mango trees. So noise of people go louder than cooing of a cuckoo bird. Now see, look at the pictures of the mangoes given below. Now mango looks very beautiful with its leaves. Try to draw similar pictures of mangoes as given. See, this already one is given. Now these all are mangoes. Okay, see. Now turn the page. Next page. Now see here. Do you know India produces approximately 1 crore 60 lakh tons? That is 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg mangoes every year. India is the biggest producer of the mangoes in the world. Now Uttar Pradesh does the largest production of mangoes. Now what you do know about the biggest mango? See, the biggest mango, can you see here? It is 3.435 kg in Philippines. Now see, now it was 30.48 centimeter, that is 12 inches in length, 49.53, that is 19.5 inches in circumference, and 17.78 centimeter, that is 7 inch in breadth. See here, can you see this? Okay, now see, there are more. These all are Jancy has made some pictures of mango in different shapes. Draw different shapes of mangoes. See, can you see this? Okay, just an activity. Then when you go to the market to buy mangoes, don't get confused to see so many different types of mangoes. Now search yourself in the market. Now these all are types of mango. See, Hafuz Alfonso, Kesar, Totapuri, Langdo, Dasheri and Badam. Okay, now which type of mango from the above given varieties you have tasted? I think you must have tasted all these mangoes. Even I have tasted all the mangoes. Okay, because I love mangoes. Now here, how many of you have seen a mango orchard? Mango orchard means where the mangoes are grown in the garden. Where have you seen it? Have you seen it real or TV? that is it. Okay, now see, do you know how to climb on a tree? Are you afraid? Yes, if of course it is not. It is dangerous to climb from a tree. Turn the page. Now close your eyes and imagine that you are standing under